Hello, hello. See if we are here. It is Wellness Wednesday, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. It looks like I'm here. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. I don't know where you are at, but it is cold here. I have a nice little heater down here to keep my feet warm here in my office. But today I want to talk about the heart, specifically heart intelligence. Okay. So, have you ever thought of your heart as being intelligent? Well, for thousands of years, cultures have believed that the heart was the source of our intelligence. Somewhere, sometime, the Western world began to believe more that our brain was what was telling us what to do. But now, modern science, right? Today's science is beginning to prove that the ancients were right, and our inner guidance, what drives us, might be more from our heart than our brain, which really goes with scripture. In my book, right here, okay, Bye Normal, Hello Exceptional, Living a Life of Less Stress and More Energy, I share that I believe our beliefs, all right, are stored in our spiritual heart. It's our beliefs that drive us to do and not do the things that we do. We also know that the physical heart is an information processing center in the body. It sends out important signals to the brain and the rest of the body. And when we hear about people having heart issues, it's because those signals are not going the way they need to, right? They're either too high or too low, or they're erratic. They're going up and down. And so here's the thing, when these signals are going to the body, we call this the heart brain, which talks to our head brain. All right. Our emotions are just energy in motion. And what I believe connect our spiritual heart to our physical heart. So, what does this have to do with heart intelligence? Well, heart intelligence links the physical heart to the spiritual energetic heart. Okay, did I not just say that our emotions do that? Through its extensive communication with the brain and the body, the heart is intimately involved of how we think, how we feel, how we respond, how we react to the world. So really we could just say heart intelligence is our emotions, such as appreciation, care, love, kindness, patience, compassion. The heart is also associated with a deeper source of wisdom. It's an intuitive knowingness that bypasses our normal logical linear thought patterns. All right. So you see, our beliefs, our spiritual heart affects our thoughts, which then influences the chemistry that regulates much of our health, what we call emotions. It's how we feel, for better or worse. Okay. So when you are not feeling well, that affects your heart spiritually, emotionally, and physically. When you feel good, that affects your heart spiritually, emotionally, physically. You see, emotions, behaviors, our attitudes, all of those are just frequencies. Okay. It's just energy. And we can learn how to change the frequencies, the energy coming from our heart. And once we better understand our heart and how we can use our heart for specific purposes and intention, guess what? We feel better. So, what do I mean by that? Well, when we start focusing our heart on how we want to feel, we begin to feel it physically. This is truly the connection between our spiritual and physical hearts, and a key to creating balance within ourselves and even relationships with others, because how our heart, our frequency is responding affects others. All right. When we learn to use specific techniques like heart focused breathing, okay, when we're breathing from the heart, we learn how our heart's intelligence, aka our emotions, can be used to create coherence. All right. This is when we're in balance and sync between our heart, our mind, our emotions, our physical heart, all of it are working together for our good. Okay. This also raises our vibration and increases our energy. Who could use a little more energy, right? Um, it also prevents and helps us handle stress with more ease. You could use a little less stress and more ease. All right. So I am going to be teaching in your heart workshop. All right. I'm going to be doing this February 20th, 2021. So that's coming up in like 10 days. All right. And I'm going to be sharing 6 techniques that the Heart Math Institute have shown to make a direct impact on boosting our resilience and emotional balance, helping to make appropriate choices, clearing the mind from anxiety and overwhelm, and living from the heart, which connects us to our purpose, more joy, more fulfillment as our spiritual, emotional, and physical heart is in balance. I like to look at it this way right here. Okay. So I would love for you to join me in this wonderful, it's going to be a 3-hour workshop. There's going to be 6 lessons. There's 6 techniques. So we'll be spending about 30 minutes for each lesson as we go through. Each one builds upon each other. Okay. This is going to help you increase your heart's intelligence. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be life-changing. Now, I can see down here that there's a comment. Let me see if I can see it a little bit better here. Renee says, sounds terrific. Yes, Renee, I'm super excited about sharing this with you all so that you too, I mean, y'all, our heart is where it's at. And if we can get our heart in alignment, we can change our life. All right. So I am super, super excited. I hope everyone has a wonderful Wellness Wednesday, and I will see you again right here next Wednesday. If you are interested in learning more about how you can get connected with the Your Heart Workshop, let me know in the comments and I will send you some information because it is coming up in like 10 days. All right. If you think, hey, I cannot do this from 9 to 12 Central Time on February 20th, there is going to be a replay. You'll be able to go in and do each lesson at your own time. So let's say you only have 30 minutes in a day to work on it. You'll be able to go and do lesson 1, lesson 2, but all of it together will be about a 3-hour workshop that you will be able to get to. So there will be a workbook. It's going to be a lot of fun. So if you can't make it on the 20th, you don't want to miss out on getting connected with this because it will help you have less stress and more energy. Have a great day. Bye.